Annapolis has 21% fewer properties for sale and a 2% reduction in asking price from last July the same time. It's Friday, July 31st, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Overall, there are 255 properties listed for sale in Annapolis at a median list price of $740,000. Annapolis sellers continue to enjoy short selling cycles and strong selling prices. Zip code 21401 still has 108 properties for sale this week at a median list price of $1,099,500, and these properties have been listed for sale for 66 days thus far. 23 properties went under contract this report at $774,900 median list price and in 15 days. 21403 has 98 properties for sale and listed for 59 days at a list price of $612,000. 14 properties went under contract this report at $475,000 median list price and in 49 days. Zip code 21409 also still has 48 properties listed for sale at $641,200, and these have been active for 71 days. 8 went under contract this report at a median list price of $812,450 and in 17 days. Coming soon properties rose to 24 properties listed at a median price of $710,000, reflecting a 2% drop in the list price week over week. 45 properties went under contract in 25 days at a median list price of $699,900. Rental properties are at 53 rentals listed at $3,200 per month. 3 properties leased over the past week with a median lease rate of $2,350 per month and in 88 days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 31st, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you the week after next. Take care.